Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0134 indicates a malfunction in the air-fuel ratio (AF) sensor heater system, specifically for sensor 1. The AF sensor is crucial for accurately calculating the air-to-fuel ratio in the engine, thereby optimizing performance and emissions. It functions by heating its internal element to a specific temperature, allowing for precise measurements. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors the integrity of this sensor, especially its internal resistance. If the heater does not activate or if the internal resistance is too high, the PCM registers an error, leading to the DTC being stored in memory. This code often indicates that the AF sensor heater isn't reaching the necessary temperature, which can negatively impact engine efficiency and emissions. The AF sensor plays a pivotal role in the combustion process by accurately assessing the ratio of air to fuel entering the engine. Its heater enables the element within the sensor to reach an optimal operating temperature, ensuring the accuracy of these readings. This element is typically located upstream of the catalytic converter, making it crucial for maintaining emission standards. As the PCM continuously monitors the AF sensor's internal resistance, any deviation from the expected parameters raises the possibility of a malfunction. Such failures can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. Therefore, it's vital to address any issues related to this sensor promptly to ensure optimal vehicle operation. The possible causes for the DTC P0134 include two main failures. First, the AF sensor heater may fail to operate correctly, preventing the sensor from reaching the necessary temperature for accurate measurements. This might be due to electrical malfunctions or degradation over time. Second, the AF sensor itself may experience internal failures that affect its performance. The sensor is responsible for sending crucial data regarding the air-fuel mixture back to the PCM, and any failure compromises the entire combustion process. Identifying the root cause is essential, as both heater and element failures require specific diagnostic approaches. Additionally, these malfunctions may not be exhaustive. There could be other underlying issues affecting the sensor's performance. Symptoms of DTC P0134 typically include increased emissions, indicating that the engine is not burning fuel efficiently due to incorrect air-fuel ratios. Drivers may also notice a rough engine idle, which can lead to poor performance and a less smooth driving experience. Another indicative symptom could be a drop in fuel economy, as the engine struggles to operate optimally when the air-fuel ratio is unbalanced. The check engine light, MIL, may illuminate as a direct result of this fault, urging immediate attention. If observed, these symptoms suggest that it's time to troubleshoot the AF sensor and its heater to restore optimal engine function. Such inefficiencies can not only affect driving comfort, but also contribute to more significant mechanical issues down the line. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0134 is to start the engine and let it idle for at least 1 minute. This allows the vehicle's systems to stabilize and the engine to reach a minimum operating condition. During this time, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, begins to monitor various components, including the AF sensor. Monitoring is crucial as it activates the area needed to diagnose the potential failures indicated by the DTC. Ensure your diagnostic tools are connected properly and that you're prepared to analyze the AF sensor's internal resistance readings as you progress through the troubleshooting protocol. The 1-minute idle period assists in achieving the necessary conditions for further diagnostic testing. The next step requires monitoring the engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensor readings. while allowing the engine to idle for at least 6 minutes. This specific requirement, especially when the ECT is at or below 5 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately -15 degrees Celsius, is essential, as colder temperatures may impact sensor performance. The 6-minute duration allows the PCM to gather enough data regarding the AF sensor and ECT readings. This process helps verify if the AF sensor heater is functioning within the expected parameters. Collecting real-time data during this period is critical for accurate diagnosis. If the readings are within the expected range, it guides you toward the next steps, while out-of-range conditions warrant more focused investigation into the AF sensor's health and connectivity. After performing the necessary repairs associated with the DTC P0134, it is crucial to conduct a final repair verification step. This involves monitoring the DTC status to ensure that it does not reappear during consecutive driving cycles. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, must confirm that all systems are functioning correctly before concluding that the issue is resolved. It is advisable to clear the DTC and then run the vehicle under typical driving conditions to confirm that the repair was successful. If the DTC remains absent, it indicates that the repairs effectively restored the system to proper operating condition. Ensuring this step is followed mitigates the risk of recurrent faults and avoids any long-term impacts on engine performance and emissions. Preventive maintenance is vital to avoid future occurrences of DTC P0134. Regular checks on the air-fuel sensors and the vehicle's emission system can significantly enhance the lifespan of critical engine components. One proactive step is to assess the AF sensor's functionality regularly, especially prior to emissions testing or vehicle inspections. Performing these checks can help identify early indicators of wear or failure in the sensor or its heater system. Additionally, ensuring that all related wiring and electrical connections are secure and free from corrosion can minimize the risk of problems. Regular maintenance not only keeps the vehicle running optimally, but also supports environmental compliance by reducing harmful emissions. In summary, DTC P0134 highlights a malfunction in the air-fuel ratio sensor's heater system, which is critical for achieving proper combustion in the engine. The error code serves as a warning from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, about potential inefficiencies that can lead to increased emissions and reduced performance. Understanding the role of the AF sensor, the causes of failure, and the symptoms that arise is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repair. Prompt action upon detecting issues not only restores vehicle function, but also enhances engine longevity and minimizes environmental impact. Regular preventive maintenance will further safeguard against similar faults, ensuring that the vehicle remains in optimal condition for both performance and compliance with emission standards. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.